Hello friends! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to personalize your phone's screen in a completely new way. If you want to set a picture of your choice on the Always On display, follow the simple steps I'm going to show you. This feature is a great way to make your phone unique, and I'll help you do it easily and quickly. If you didn't know, the Always On display is not just for time and notifications. So, let's get started with the process. First, open the gallery on your phone and select the picture you want to set on the Always On display. Once you've chosen, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and then in the menu that appears, select the Set as Wallpaper option. Right after that, find the Always On display option and tap it. Now you can zoom in and move the picture to adjust it precisely to your liking. Also, if you want to change the color of the clock, you can do that too. When you're done adjusting, tap Done. And that's it. Your picture will now be set on the Always On display and will be visible every time you turn off your phone's screen. If you want to remove the picture from the Always On display, you can do that by first opening the settings, then finding the lock screen option. Once you're on the lock screen settings page, find the Always On display option and tap it to access additional settings. In the Always On display settings, you'll see an option called Show Lock Screen. Tap it and then tap Remove to remove the picture. And that's it. After that, your picture will be removed from the Always On display. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you soon. Thanks for watching.